The Telegram tone ecosystem has been extremely popular lately, and I believe it has immense potential for the future. However, I noticed many people don't know how to use Telegram's official tone wallet. In this video, I will share the detailed step-by-step guide on using the official tone wallet from Telegram. I believe this is the most comprehensive tutorial on YouTube about the tone wallet, so I strongly recommend watching it as it will greatly help you understand tone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tone wallet tutorial, we will cover the following dimensions. So first, we will get a general understanding starting with tone wallet. Next, we will cover how to download the tone wallet. Third, we will go over how to create our tone wallet. And fourth, we will discuss how to change the language settings of the tone wallet. And fifth, we will cover setting a password and binding your email to the tone wallet. And sixth, we will talk about completing KYC verification for the tone wallet. Yes, you hear right. The tone wallet requires KYC. And seventh, we will explain how to use fiat currency to purchase cryptocurrency in the tone wallet. Eighth, we will show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from a centralized exchange to your tone wallet. And next, we will demonstrate how to withdraw cryptocurrencies from your tone wallet to a centralized exchange or another crypto wallet. And 10th, I will teach you how to send cryptocurrency from your tone wallet to other Telegram friends. And 11th, we will go over some essential precautions. Finally, we will look at how to use the tone wallet to make money. So first, let's quickly understand what the tone wallet is. So the tone wallet is a convenient service for handling cryptocurrency. So you can use fiat currency to buy cryptocurrency on the tone wallet and sell cryptocurrencies for fiat currencies. And moreover, you can directly send cryptocurrency to your friends through the Telegram app with no transaction fees. And since the Tone ecosystem is developing very well and I'm optimistic about its futures, knowing how to use Tone wallet is very important, so please pay closer attention to the following content. And next, let's see how to download the Tone wallet. So there are two versions, a mobile version and a Chrome browser extension. So first, you don't need to download the separate Tone wallet apps because the wallet is integrated into the Telegram app. So as you can see on the screen, there is a wallet entrance in the settings. Clicking this will take you directly to your Telegram wallet, which is very simple as it is built into Telegram. And in addition to the mobile version, there is a Chrome extension for the Tone wallet. This is necessary if you plan to engage with the feeds or other D apps, which may require the web version. So now you are looking at my Chrome browsers. In the top right corner, you will see a small car icon. Click on it, and you can select Managing Extensions. So this takes you to the Chrome browser extension management area. On the left side, you will see the Chrome web stores. Click on it, and it functions like an app store where you can search for various extensions. So for here, we are entered on Tone in the searching box, and the first result is the official Tone wallet. Click on it to see that over 19,000 users are using it. And scroll down, you will find more details about the extensions, and we can also see that the developer is the official Tone team, so it is safe to use. So to install the Tone wallet, click Add to Chrons in the top right, then click Add Extensions. So once added, click on small car icons again, and ping the Tone wallet by clicking small pink icon next to it, turning it blue. So now the Tone wallet is pinked to your Chrome browsers. Click on it, and you will be prompted to import an existing wallet or create a new one. Click Create a new wallet and click on Continued. So now you must write down the 24 secret words and keep them safe. Losing these words meaning losing access to your wallet access. After securely storing them, click Continue. Click on I'm sure. So for here, you will be asked to verify the secret words by entering them. And when just entering them, click on Continue. So once verified, set the password for your wallet. After setting it up, click Confirm. So for here, you will successfully created your Tone wallet using a Chrome browser version. Click on View My Wallet, and you will enter the web versions of the Tone wallet. Okay, after we've created our own Tone wallet, let's look at how to change the language versions of the Tone wallet. We will using the mobile version as an example. So for here, you can see the settings button in the top left corner of the screen. So click on this setting button to enter the setting page of the Tone wallet. For here, you will find an options for wallet language. Click on wallet language and select the language version you want. It is clear that it is supposed simplifies Chinese and traditional Chinese, making it user-friendly for users in mainland China and Taiwan. So once you have successfully set the language versions, set the default currencies. So clicking on these options, you will see that it supports various currency, including US dollars, British pounds, and euro. So next, set a password and bind an email to your Tone wallet. Setting a password and binding an email greatly enhances the security of your wallet, so I strongly recommend doing this. Again, clicking on the setting button in the top right corner of the screen. The second option inside is passwords and Face ID. Click on these options. Since I've already set mine, it shows options to change the password and email. In this interface, you can set your Tone Wallet password and bind an email to your Tone Wallet. This process is very simple. So next, let's look at completing the Tone Wallet's KYC verifications. KYC is very important. Please bear in mind that there are also some regions that Tone Wallets didn't provide services to. You can see the list here. Notably, the US is also included. Without KYC, many wallet functions are unavailable. Your wallet must complete KYC to receive airdrops. Let's see how to do it. First, click on Setting button in the top right corner. After clicking it, you will see the third options, Identification Level. Click on it to enter the KYC phase for the Tone Wallet. Here, you see 3 levels of KYC. So the first level is basic information, which requires only uploading your names and countries of residence to complete the basic KYC. This is very simple. Once you complete level on KYC, the daily and money transaction limits are displayed. So besides the basic KYC, there is also level 2 KYC, which is extended. So completing extended level KYC significantly increases your limits for transfers, withdrawals, and fiat currency transactions, and it may support more future features of the Tone Wallet. Ideally, if you can't, completing level 3, which is advanced KYC. Once you complete advanced level KYC, there are almost no restrictions, allowing full use of all Tone Wallet functions. It is clear that advanced level KYC requires proof of residence. Completing these 3 levels of KYC is straightforward. Simply use your phone to take and upload photos of your ID front and back, then complete a facial recognition scan. So for advanced level KYC, just upload a recent proof of address, confirming your residence in your country, and you will easily complete advanced level KYC. So next, let's look at how to use fiat currency to purchase cryptocurrencies in the Tone Wallet. The Tone Wallet functions somewhat like an exchange, allowing fiat deposits and withdrawals. So on the screen, you can see the Tone Wallet interface with options to send. So there are 2 ways to use fiat currency to purchase cryptocurrencies. P2P, which involves buying from cryptocurrency sellers, and bank card payments. So first, click on Add Cryptocurrency. Here you will see option to buying user bank cards or through the P2P market. So search discussing depositing cryptocurrency from an external wallet to your Tone Wallet. But first, let's see how to purchase cryptocurrency using a bank card. So select cryptocurrency you want to purchase. The options are limited to 4: USDT tethers, Tone, the official Tone currency, cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, and notes. We will use USDT as an example. Select tether and click continue. So at this point, you can enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase. For example, if you want to buy 20 USDT, you will see a GBP symbol at the top indicating that you are using British pound to buy USDT. So click on that to switch to other currency. But for here, I will choose British pound to buy 20 USDT and select credit card as the payment method. After verifying everything is correct, click to buy 20 USDT, and it will automatically redirect you to a third-party service provider to complete the purchase. So follow the prompts to complete the payment, and you can buy cryptocurrency directly with a credit card. Besides using a credit card, you can also buy cryptocurrency in the P2P market using fiat currency. Click on P2P markets and select buy. This will take you to the P2P page, which looks very similar to the C2C trading on exchange. So in the top navigation bar, you will see options for payment method, verification methods, payment currencies, and cryptocurrency to buy, and also purchase amounts. So choose the payment method. There are a lot of methods you can choose from, and also verification methods, selecting trusted merchants and those with KYC verifications. Then select the currency you will use and the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and finally enter the amount you want to buy. After setting these parameters, a list of merchants matching to your criteria will appear. Choose the reliable merchants for the transactions. However, I strongly using the C2C methods on large centralized crypto exchanges to buy cryptocurrency as it is safer. In addition to buying cryptocurrency with fiat currency, you can also sell cryptocurrency for fiat on the Tone Wallet. Again, I suggest using large centralized exchanges for safer fiat currency transactions. So next, let's see how to deposit cryptocurrency from a centralized exchange to a Tone Wallet and withdraw cryptocurrency from the Tone Wallet to an exchange or another wallet. So we will using Bitget exchange as an example. Let's demonstrate how to deposit USDT from Bitget to the Tone Wallet. So Bitget is one of the few centralized exchanges supporting the Tone network, ranked 4 globally among cryptocurrency exchanges. If you don't have the Bitget account yet, you can scan the QR code on the screens or use the link in the video description to register for Bitget. Registering through the link gives you a permanent 20% fee discount, which is very beneficial for trading cryptocurrencies. So we will click on the small wallet icon in the top right corner of the Bitget exchange and select withdraw withdraw. So for here, this takes you to the cryptocurrency withdrawal page. First, select USDC as the cryptocurrency to withdraw it. Then choose the on-chain withdrawal and select the withdrawal networks. Bitget supports USDT on the TON network with 0 fees. So after selecting the TON network, link add cryptocurrency in the TON wallet, select external wallet, and choose to deposit USDT and then click continue. So the TON wallet supports the TRC20 network and the TON network. Select the TON network and you will see the USDT deposit address for the TON wallets. So copy this address and paste it into the withdrawal address field on Bitget. So I will just paste it in here. So after verifying the address, click next and just enter the amount of USDT to withdraw. So the wallet can withdraw 16.9 USDT. Enter 10 USDT. Then now just click withdraw and just confirm the order details. Agreed. And for here, just enter all necessary passwords and verification codes to complete the withdrawal. And then just click on confirm. So after submitting the withdrawal request, the TON wallet will receive 10 USDT. So now let's see how to withdraw cryptocurrency from the TON wallet and transfer it to another wallet or exchange. So click the same buttons and choose to send to an external wallet. Select cryptocurrency to transfer such as USDT and click continue. So choose the withdrawal network. So the TON wallet supports the TONs and TRC20 change. We can see that the TON is no fees and the TRC20 network we need to pay for 2 USDT as transaction fees. So we just select the TON change and paste the target wallet address in the USDT address field, such as the USDT deposit address of the Bitget exchange. We can find our address on Bitget. On the wallet icon section, click on deposit, choose the send coin and the send network. So after copying and pasting, complete the withdrawal process. It is very simple. Then now we can see that the TON wallet has received the 10 USDT withdrawals from the Bitget exchange. So now let's look at how to send cryptocurrency from the TON wallet to other Telegram contacts. Click the send buttons, select send to your Telegram contacts, just randomly choose your friends and send cryptocurrency. It is very simple. So when using the TON wallet, there are a few things to remember. So first, the official TON wallet is currently not fully decentralized. It can be understood more like wallets embedded within social apps such as WeChat or Line. Therefore, transaction records cannot be acquired on the blockchain when transferring funds to Telegram contacts using the wallet. However, deposits to and withdrawal from external wallets to the TON wallets can be acquired on the blockchain. So as such, avoid depositing cryptocurrencies into the TON wallet that are not supported, as they may result in loss. So it is crucial to bind your Telegram account with an email and enable Google two-factor authentication to protect your accounts. And additionally, using any Chinese language pads provided by third party is not recommended to avoid potential vulnerabilities or backdoors. So although the TON wallet we see now is not truly a centralized wallet, we can notice something interesting inside it. There is a feature called TON Space, which is currently in testing. When we click on that, we can see that this TON Space wallet is actually a decentralized wallet. So the official plan is to integrate this decentralized wallet within the centralized wallet, so we don't need to worry about the security of your assets. So lastly, let's look at how to make money using this TON wallet. In this TON wallet, there is a wallet reward features. We can see the wallet reward sessions when we just click to open it, and you can deposit your USDT or TONs into this TON wallet to earn a very high annual interest rate. So who provides this interest? TON's official teams provides it. This promotion and incentive plan has a time limit and it is not indefinite. As shown on the screen, you can deposit USDT to my TONs. The annual interest rate is as high as 50% within 2 months. And the second way to earn money is by using no coins on TONs, which is a previously very popular token. For example, if we click on earning TONs using USDT, the detailed rules of the promotion will appear. You can deposit USDT to join a prize pool of 30 million. In the next 2 weeks, you can earn an annualized return of 50%. The rewards are distributed in TONs and deposited into your TON account. Thirdly, when claiming rewards, you must complete KYC verification. So this is a promotion by the exchange to get new users to register and use the TON wallet. Depositing USDT to participate, you can earn a risk-free passive income, but must download and use the wallet and complete KYC verification. So an annualized return of 50% is substantial, and the limits of 3,000 USDT is also quite generous. Many centralized exchange has limits of 500 USDT or 1,000 USDT. Now let me demonstrate. We click to start earning. Since I only have 10 USDT in my wallet, so I will just enter 10 USDT and click continue. So I have now successfully deposited 10 USDT into the promotions. So now we can see that we can click to earn an annualized return of 50% with just 10 USDT. I hope this video helped you to learn how to use the TON wallet securely and profitably. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. Thank you all and see you in the next one.